Okay, derivatives. Hope that lesson was okay. All right, that's a little tricky. Now look at these problems. See, this is what drives you crazy, right? I show you x plus h minus f of x, and what do? They give you an a instead. So kind of crazy, crazy, crazy. If you did it with an a, no big deal. The x is the same thing. So if we did the x plus h, this is page 105, 105, 1 through 11 odd. Okay, number 1. Okay, what are we going to do here? We have to do the a. I'm going to do x plus h. So limit as h approaches 0 of 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x all over h. Complex fractions. I know some of you in pre-calc were avoiding them. You were scared of them. Okay, they're all over calc. So, all right. Common denominator is x plus h. Okay, that means I had to multiply top and bottom here by x, top and bottom here by x plus h. Okay, so we then have x minus x plus h all over h like that. Don't cancel things. Don't cancel those x plus h's and the x. Okay, drive me crazy. Okay, so then it goes x minus h all over x plus h all over h. Okay, look, x's are gone. Okay, now you have a negative h over x plus h times 1 over h because you invert multiply, complex fraction. Okay, because this was h over 1. Gone, gone. Okay, so then we have the limit as h approaches 0, negative 1 over x plus h. Okay, and as h approaches 0, it would be negative 1 over x squared. Okay, now they tell you the a, so that's like I showed you in the second one, where it says as x approaches a, so you just substitute in an a for it, negative 1 over a squared, and then a is 2, so it's negative 1/4. Okay, number 3. 3, and I'm not going to keep writing limit as h approaches 0. Okay, if you want to put it, fine, no big deal. Okay, of course, on a test, a quiz, whatever, something formally handed in, you have to write it all out. So 3 minus x minus h squared minus 3 minus x squared. Okay, all over h. So we have 3 minus x squared. Yeah, thank you. X plus h. Okay, so x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3 minus x squared all over h. Okay, and then 3 minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared minus 3 plus x squared all over h. Okay, remember, everything without an h should cancel. Gone, 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 gone. Okay, so you have negative 2xh minus h squared all over h, and you are left with a negative 2x minus h as h approaches 0, negative 2x as x approaches a, negative 2a, a is negative 1, a is negative 1, so it's 2. Okay, that's number 3. Okay, 5, 1 over x. Now this is f of x minus f of a. Okay, so 1 over x minus 1 over a all over x minus a. Okay, common denominator is xa. So then we have to multiply top and bottom by a, top and bottom by x. Okay, so a minus x all over x minus a. Okay, nothing cancels, nothing cancels. So then you have a minus x all over ax, and this is over 1, times 1 over x minus a. Okay? Now, if you remember back, okay, in algebra 2, when we're canceling, signs are changed, so when these cancel, you're left with a negative 1, okay, when you have the opposite side. All right, so then you have negative 1 over ax as x approaches a, 1 over a squared. Don't forget the negative. Negative 1 over a squared. And a is 2, so you have negative 1/4. Okay, that's number 5. All right, how am I doing on time? All right, not too bad. All right, 7. Okay, we have square root of x plus 1 minus square root of a plus 1. Oh, yay. All over x minus a. Okay. Now, I'm not going to give you anything as crazy as this. Okay. So what happens here is we have to rationalize the numerator. Okay. We've done this. I can't remember if it was pre-calc or earlier. So when you rationalize this, you have the square root of x plus 1 plus square root of a plus 1. And you multiply both of them. Okay. Plus a plus 1. So what happens is, remember, they're conjugate pair. So it's x plus 1 minus a minus 1. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. And it's all over. So the 1's will cancel, and you're in the numerator, you're left with an x minus a. Okay, all over x minus a times square root of x plus 1 plus square root of a plus 1. Okay, I know, kind of crazy. I'm going to give you something like this. Cancel, cancel, there's your 1. Okay, so as x approaches a, that means we put an a in here. So we have 1 over 2 root a plus 1. Okay, like I said, a little crazy. Okay, a is 3. Okay, so we plug the 3 in, and right here, okay, so 3, 1, 4, okay, so 1/4 when you plug it in. All right, like I said, I won't be that mean to you. All right, so that's 7, 9, 3x minus 12. So here's one a little nicer to you. 3x minus 12 minus 3a minus 12 all over x minus a. Can I squeeze it in? 3x minus 12 minus 3a plus 12 all over x minus a. 12's cancel. Take the 3 out. You have an x minus a all over x minus a. Cancel, cancel. You're just left with 3, just with a constant. Okay, and that's it. All right, so every value will be 3. And the last one, number 11. Okay, where are we? X squared. So, hey, what happened? So number 11, x squared minus a squared all over x minus a. I think we saw something like this already, didn't we? I don't know. Okay, x plus a, x minus a, all over x minus a. Cancel, cancel. You're left with x plus a. And then as x approaches a, so you have a plus a, which is 2a. Okay, and oh, that's it. They didn't give you a point. They didn't give you a point. So it's just either 2x, okay, or 2a. That's fine. Okay, you just stop right there. All right, that's it. All right, Thursday, if you have questions, Thursday. All right, I'm going to try Google Meet. We'll try it. All right. We'll see you soon.